The Input Channels dialog shows a complete overview of all available acquisition hardware and their related channels. Each card is displayed with its card name and serial number. The channels are organized under the related card names. You can hide the channels by clicking the small arrow, so only the card names remain in the display. All related channel settings can be done in the Input Channels dialog. The available channel settings depend on the used hardware and therefore differs depending on the card type. As an example, we want to change the input range of the first channel. Click with the right mouse button on the channel name. This opens a context menu. Go to the Input Range section and choose the desired range. Now the value of the range column has changed to the new value. Alternatively, you could click on the value and change it directly with the scroll wheel of the mouse. Another possibility to set the input range is to double-click on the channel name, so the Channel Setup dialog appears. Choose any input range by selecting the desired value from the pull-down menu and click the OK button. If you want to make settings for several channels at the same time, use a higher ranking node of a channel group. As a first example, click with the right mouse button on a card name and select a new input range in the display you already know. This changes the input range of all channels of this card. As a second example, use the analog input node in the same way. This changes all available analog channels of all cards to the selected value. Furthermore, you can hold the Control key and click on single channels and different nodes to make a multiple selection. Changing the input range will affect all these selected channels. The Channel Setup dialog provides many more settings. For example, you can change the name, or you can change the color of the channel. You can also add a description text here by clicking on the clipboard symbol. The text is shown when you move the mouse over the channel name in the Input Channels dialog.